Site has been chosen for the OVT program, One Village Transform in Harako village. And this is the first school being built in this very community, which was totally an empty land, and the children are there. And when we started with this, they are so happy when they saw this building, and that's why we're here to look into the work progress, and to also give more instructions on which are found in the contract agreement. And we hope in the next 2 weeks we shall finish this, and you can see the clouds are there. So, and the rainy season is at the corner. That's why we are here. We come here twice in a week in order to follow up the work.